Project 1.5. In Project 1.5, there's a few things that may be new to you that we're going to need to do before we go any further and start actually doing the project. What they want us to do is they want us to find in our drive Project 1.2. They want us to make a copy of that, and then they want us to change the name to 1.5. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to go in your Google Drive, and you're going to find Project 1.2. So you're going to look around. Here's Project 1.2. To make a copy of it in your drive, right-click, and you're going to get a whole bunch of options. Towards the bottom, it says Make a Copy. And you're going to see that now we have the copy of Project 1.2. So I'm going to open up the Project 1.2 copy, and I'm going to rename it when it loads by double-clicking in the title and renaming it Project 1.5. Okay, so now in my drive, I have Project 1.2 and Project 1.5. Any changes I made to 1.5 will not affect Project 1.2. If you do not make a copy of Project 1.2 and you just rename it, Project 2 is going to get edited. So you got to make a copy first. All right, I can close that. Project 1.5 says you're going to type in this information. You're going to type it with Times New Roman font, and you're going to make it size 11. Now, what they want you to do is they want you to key the date, contact information, which is the salutation, the greeting, as shown. When you type it exactly how it's shown, they're telling us that there's going to be some spelling errors in our document. The hint says there's a total of 6 spelling errors. So what we need to do is we need to make sure when we're done, our document doesn't contain any spelling errors. So, okay, I have now changed my document. Let's make it font Times New Roman. Okay, so here's my document. Now, I've typed it all out. A couple things we're going to change. Where it says date, we're going to actually put the correct date. We're going to say September 4, 2020. Principal's name, we're going to put Mrs. Vickers. We're going to put the school address. 800 South Raccoon Road, Austintown, Ohio, for the city, state, and zip code. Four four 44515, and then we're going to put Dear Mrs. Vickers. Okay, so I got all this typed out exactly how it was written, and as you can see, this word has an underlined squiggly red. This one is underlined with squiggly red. Same thing with down here, and also right here. To correct the spelling, all you do is you click on the word above it. It's going to give you the suggestion. If you click on the suggestion, it will change. So I'm going to go through, and I'm going to do all that. So my document does not have any more red underlined words. So all my words are spelled correctly. And I have my document. There's my footer. There's my header. And I am now done. Please, please, please make sure you follow the directions correctly on this one. If you do not make a copy of your letterhead from Project 1.2 and you just type out the text, that's not going to be any good. Also, make sure you change the font to the correct size, and when you're done, turn it in.